Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Cartman token. Now the Cartman token is just exploding today. It is top 3 in the top gainer section on CoinMarketCap right now. It is up 875%. If you're wondering what the other two tokens are, I already reviewed those ones, but this one is hot off the press. Just got a new CoinMarketCap listing within the last few days. And then today, it's just off to the races here, off to the moon. 875% in the green right now. Cartman.vip is their official webpage. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. The Cartman token, ticker symbol is ERIC. So they have their own block explorer on CoinMarketCap here. This is an Ethereum token. You can check out their Etherscan, their webpage, cartman.vip. Their socials are also on here. They have a Twitter at EricCoinETH, and they have a Telegram at EricCoinETH as well. So this is an Ethereum token, so if you did want to buy this token, all you'd have to do is fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, go into the dApps, find Uniswap, and then trade your Ethereum for the Cartman token using the contract address that you could find on CoinMarketCap or their Etherscan or their official webpage, cartman.vip. You can find it all over. Just make sure you have the right contract address. And you may have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics, but we will go over that in a second. And just be aware that there is going to be a little bit of network fees and gas fees when buying tokens off of Uniswap. Now, according to their Etherscan, right now, 460 holders. So it seems like they probably got most of their holders today. With this huge pump, they're almost at 1,000%. 2,655 transfers so far on this token, 18 decimal places, and a max total supply of 696,969,696. No, wait, what? It's 696,969 million. You get the idea. Let's just leave it at that. 696 billion tokens. It's very much a meme number. And yeah, so if you want to find all the information, go on this token about this token, head over to cartman.vip. They have a link right at the top of their page. It says buy on Uniswap. If you click on that, it'll take you right where you need to go if you want to get the token. They also have a whole section on their webpage, how to buy. It's pretty straightforward. They got some cool animations on their webpage here. Tokenomics, all that good stuff is on here. Lots of scrolling you got to do basically to get past all these pictures. It's got a page that says let's explore, and then you can click on that, take you over to the tokenomics. So it says fair launch, no pre-sale, no taxes, contract renounced, liquidity pool locked, team wallet locked, max buy enabled 1.5%. That's to prevent whales from pump and dumping the token. Circulating supply 92%. 5% goes to central exchange listings. 2% goes to team tokens, which is locked for 6 months. So they have a pie chart there that you can check out. It says fairness over greed. Respect my authority. Hi there, folks. It's your favorite guy, Cartman, and I'm here to talk to you about something super cool. Now I know that what you're thinking, Cartman, what the heck is this Eric token? Well, it's like Bitcoin, but way cooler. Why? Because it's all about the memes, dude. Saddle up your unicorns and get ready to embark on a wild ride filled with laughter, memes, and maybe even some moonshots. Our new project is going to be awesome. It'll make your head spin faster than when Kenny dies again. Our coin is here purely for the giggles and the good times, so let's have some fun and see where this cartoon world takes us. So this is definitely very much a meme coin. So be aware that, you know, there's probably not going to be, there's going to be little to no utility on this token here. Lots of memes, of course, lots of laughter, but also, I'm not sure if there is a full audit or KYC or any sort of security like that, so be aware of that. Thoroughly investigate this token before even thinking about getting it, because actually we could probably check here. There is a DEX Tools chart. Let's see what DEX Tools has to say. So if you go to their, at the very bottom of the page, they have a DEX Tools link. It'll take you over to the Eric token on DEX Tools here, and they have a DEX score rating of 68 out of 99. So this is not a fully secure token by any means whatsoever. So just fully be aware of that. Now, if you look at the token sniffer here, the scan on token sniffer, you can check that out. But they also have some warnings here. So it says anti-whale mechanism is modifiable. Unlimited number of transactions. That's got a red flag on there. So 2 red flags basically. So it's not terrible, but it says unlimited number of transactions here, and anti-whale mechanism is modifiable. It says whether the contract has a function to modify the maximum amount of transactions or the maximum token position, and it says also has the function to limit the maximum amount of transactions or maximum token position for a single address. So those are the 2 warnings on there. Besides that, it looks fine. Nothing terrible on there, but 68 out of 99 is the project reliability based on a whole bunch of different things there, and you can check them out. So yeah, total liquidity for this project, $160,000. 24-hour trading volume, $153,000. Basically 44.74 pooled ETH, and there is a total market cap right now of $476,000. And yeah, so that's basically about it for that. And the rest of their info is going to be on their socials. So if you check out their Twitter and Telegram, I was checking out their Twitter earlier. They announced like CoinMarketCap listing, liquidity pool locked, all that type of stuff is on their CoinMarketCap. But very much a meme coin with hardly any utility or anything like that. So just be aware of that. No taxes, liquidity locked, contract ownership renounced. It says no pre-sale, nothing like that. And yeah, it's up though a lot. 869% right now in the green. And the 24-hour trading volume is up 15,000%. So this is their best day by far. And check this token out on CoinMarketCap today in the top gainer section. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about the Cartman token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos, where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.